Hello there! Let's learn about Inspire Mold's part insert feature. We'll use this simple screwdriver model to demonstrate. First, we'll set up the molding part as usual. We can use the default material settings for this demonstration. Now we'll add a gate to the handle part. Again, we'll keep the default settings for this demonstration. Now we need to designate the screwdriver's shank as the part insert. We'll click on the tooling icon to open the sub-ribbon. Next, we'll click the Designate Part Insert tool. We can set the material and initial temperature of the part insert just like we can with the molding part. The defaults are fine for our demonstration. Now we'll use the Mold tool to create our mold. You can use the micro dialog to change the mold's material, initial temperature, size, and position, but we'll keep the defaults. Now we'll run the molding window analysis to find viable settings for mold temperature, melt temperature, and fill time. We'll select a point in the green area, and then click Update Initial Values. Now we can run the simulation. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe for more tips on getting the most out of your Altair products.